touch upon what is the logic behind not allowing expenses? Would you, I mean,
Yeah. So what
it's just purely academic interest that I'm asking this out of. What is the logic behind it?
So the government, most of the governments in the world, this is a new concept, which is just a 10 years old concept, and it has grown like internet. So you cannot live without it. It is there. Either you like it or not, it is there. So either the government has to accept it or have to deny it. So till the point they have a clear indication as to how to deal with it, or what kind of functions it can do. It's still in the budding stages. A lot of things can be done. So till then, a government like India, what they don't want is they are a little bit conservative as in the cryptocurrency elements. They are thinking like they might disrupt the whole financial system. So to not allow people to directly go into crypto or people to enter into crypto, they want to negative it. Say they don't want everyone to go into crypto and invest it. So just because of that reason, they are having a higher tax now. There is a higher tax. This is the maximum rate. So higher tax rate is given for cryptocurrency so that people will just because of the tax regime, they'll stop going for it.
Okay, it's like how your parents scare you off the police, and
Yes,
the police will take you if you don't eat food.
Yes.
Something like that, right? Okay. So there is essentially no sense to it other than they wanting to discourage people from using VDAs till a certain point where we have confirmation on as to what it is.
Yes.